Greetings and welcome to our cat porch. It's New Year's Eve 2020 and we're in a state of transition here. So you can see there's Shibby, Raisin, Libby, and Little Bear. They're all hanging out here. We start putting the plastic up so it'll be nice and warm in here during the day, even if it's cold outside. Let's see what these guys are doing. I guess I have to leave the plastic off this end, huh? And here we are in the dining room. Thought I'd show you guys our ever expanding cat art wall. Like that one right there. That's what, we put that up there so Lumpy would have some calico representation on the wall so she wouldn't feel left out. I also think that's what she thinks she is, like how she looks to the rest of the world. There's King Shibby during his Napoleonic phase. And there's the cousins as the Three Musketeers. Another King Shibby. And of course we have to have this here. We have to have a cat drawn in a Japanese style with sugar skulls. I mean, we live in New Mexico, so sorry. We also have Mr. Marbles up here. I call him Mr. Marbles because his eyes are marbles. And a few other cat items. Okay, thanks for joining us.